Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I'll show you quick look how you can get and make money with Rakuten affiliate program. So let's get into now. Rakuten itself is a cashback platform that enable you to get discount and coupon for multiple different item. You can get up to and get started less than 30 seconds. You can get started with the shopping on Rakuten using their shopping extension. So in this video I'll also show you my payment proof and everything will be clear and honest. No hack, no fake misleading claim, just a clear honest guide and easy to follow. Let's start the video.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
So just you need to visit this website rakuten.com and simply sign up your account. Here you can see I had already signed up my account. Sorry, sign up and logged in my account, and here you can see Bivas. And let me show you my, here you can see cashback activities 0.69 cent and pending 0 $0. And here you can see I purchased hosting from affiliate link Rakuten, and my commission and cashback is $5.65. Then I got paid by Rakuten in my PayPal. Here you can see also see the date 12/12/2024. So by this way you can earn money from Rakuten. So here you can see a lot of their offer. Here you can see Hostinger 7.5% cashback, Dell Technology 4%, SP 3%, Acer 3%, Grammarly for each sales $10, GoDaddy $2.5 cashback. Here you can see NordVPN 90% cashback. Just explore this website. Maybe if you are a uh, online buyer, then it will be helpful for you. Let me show you example how you can use this. Simply go to rakuten.com and sign up your account and then log in your account. Then simply choose anything. If you want to buy anything, let's, here you can see different 110% cashback, 10 hot deals. If you want to buy anything, suppose you want to buy, let me show you a quick example. I don't know what is this. Just click on this, then click on this shop now. Here you can see 2% cashback activated. Simply the link will be automatically open their official website. So you don't, here you can see this is the official website. Now you need to sign up account and purchase. Here you can see extension quick notification showed 2% cashback activated. After you see this notification, you can purchase and the cashback will be show in your Rakuten account. So if you want to buy on, here you can see shop eBay up to 1% cashback. Simply click on this shop button. Up to 1% cashback activated, and it will automatically redirect to eBay. Sorry, I don't know why this eBay website is not fully loading. Let's try another. Here you can see shop $30 for unlimited time, and brand you can see Soma. you will get cheap laptop from here. Also here you can see $10 cashback, also different option. Expedia up to 10% cashback simply if you want to book anything from Expedia. Here you can see it will automatically open, and here you can see also notification up to 10% cashback activated. So just log in your account and buy, then wait for few minutes for in your Rakuten account for showing your pending cashback and confirmed cashback. And one thing also, here you can see I have created my referral link, give $50 and get $50. If you buy $50 in the next 90 days, you will also get $50 and I will also get $50. So I will suggest you to use my referral link. I will give my link in this video description, so we both can profit. And here you can see few FAQ. You may need to receive this. When will I receive my bonus? Generally you will receive your referral bonus within 60 days of your qualifying purchase. Here you can see you need to read this all the FAQ. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the 𝐓𝐰𝐢𝐭𝐻 YouTube channel for more simple, honest and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell so you never miss an update. And for even better deal and detailed guide, make sure to visit techpoolstar.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.